Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, hello, Zimbabwe, hello, Zimbabwe. We are back. We are here at the United Nations, and I want to just show you what's going on around here. For those who can still come and join us, you're most welcome to come and join us. But I'm going to do a short video and show you what's going on across before we start on what's going on with us. Demonstrations by nature, they start small, they grow as people gain confidence, as they realize that we have to speak and the voices get louder. When we were here 2 years ago, this group was just a small group, and it's growing bigger and they're getting more organized, and that's what happens, and that's what we will do too. When you look right here, there's a smaller group. These guys are demonstrating against Iran, but they're small, but they are prepared to say their thing and to speak out. They're just 4 of them, and the next group here has a much larger crowd now, and they're speaking against China and all the oppressions and persecutions in China. Who would think that people would speak against China? China is powerful as it is. People were scared, but they're disciplined. This is what they do. They will stand like this from the time they came in to the time they leave, showing their commitment. And that's what it takes, commitment from anyone and everybody. It doesn't matter how many you are. And this is what you call commitment. I'm just showing you what other people are doing. I'm gonna go by and show you. They take turns in resting, and people are resting over on this side, and once they have rested, they go back, they refuel, and they join again. And on the other hand, on the other side there was Iran, right? People demonstrating against Iran. On this side it's Iraq, okay? People, last year it was a smaller group, but this year they're more funded, more organized, and a much bigger group. They've taken the entire section. I only saw, look at that. So they're getting larger, they're getting bigger, they're getting more organized every year, and they're getting more funded, and it's so massive I can't even show you where they begin and end. Okay? They go all the way to the back. They're going all the way to the back. Some people from Iran are now. Okay? Last year they were not as big as this. If just last year they were a much smaller group. Never get discouraged by anybody. Never get discouraged by anybody who tells you that oh yeah, demonstrations don't work. They work everywhere in the world. We're not the only people who demonstrate. That's why I was telling you the UN is a space where people express themselves, and we'll continue to do that, and that's part of what we do. Do whatever it is that you feel with your conviction that it will help with in terms of speaking out. People are kind of still very nervous, and we understand, because we have a brutal regime, we have a brutal government that does not allow us to speak. All right, so right now we have a journalist we're speaking to, and I have to go and speak to the journalist, and we will have our story written and said anywhere and everywhere where we go. And we still have our, and we don't stop. We don't stop. All right, and we'll be back.